Welcome to Traders Profit House, guys. How do you all? Hope I'll be fine in doing very awesome trading. Today, going to show you an awesome expert advisor, Strongbull version 1.3. This expert advisor really very awesome and very good for spike trading and also for index trading, for jump index, and also for volatility index, volatility 1S index. So guys, look on my screen. This is very simple AI, a very good AI, and this is the best trading robot in this industry right now. Look here, the bar I have mentioned with arrow. The robot is running. Algo trading is enabled, and right in front of you, this is the Boom 300 chart which is open, and we are waiting for the robot open a trade by self. Look here, you see the buy position is executed in front of you guys, and the bot is holding this position with proper stop loss. Stop loss is proper on level of support and resistance, which is drawn by the robot automatically. So the thing is, the bot will open trade, set the stop loss, take profit, and unlocking your profit once your position in profit automatically. This is the best strategy milk the spikes. You guys can watch. This is a live. Okay? Which will open trade and set the stop loss, set the take profit, and set the trailing stop once the position in profit. These all things automatically manageable by bot. So we are waiting for results. Let's see the stop loss hit. Let's see the robot trade if there's profit. The good management, risk management also included. This is the best grid algorithm system, combination of best AI strategies. So let's wait for results. Please watch the video till end. The trade is opened and stop loss is set up, and the third candle is ongoing. So let's see this buy position, if coming profit, the bot exit on loss. So we are waiting for results. So guys, here is Boom 300. Spike trade is opened. Stop loss is set up. Look, here is the spike. Here is our first spike, just in front of you guys, and the robot will automatically move the stop loss. Look here, the stop loss is moved. Look here, again a spike, and the stop loss will be moved next to, and look here, the stop loss is moved. automatically. Automatically. Things are working automatically. This is why we call this hands-free trading. Without stress, without problem, just hands-free trading. The profit is logged, stop loss is set up, front of your position. In case markets come reverse, you trade it in profit. Look here again, spike. And after spike, the boot will open, hold this and move stop loss. Look here, the stop loss is moved. This is a good benefit of using this robot. Automatically moving the stop loss. Look here, guys. After the spike, the stop loss will be moved and your position profit will be saved. Look here, the stop loss moved. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the music. If you have any question, query, please check the video description, chat with our team. They are available for help.